Welcome back to our new video. In this video, we are going to learn how to send dental appointment confirmation message on WhatsApp automatically. So let's suppose here I am a dentist and here I have created a page from which my patients can book the appointment. So now here what I want to do is, whenever a patient is going to book an appointment for my clinic, I want to send a confirmation message to them on their WhatsApp. So here to perform this task, I am using two software applications. I am using 𝑢can.bookme and WhatsApp. So here I am using 𝑢can.bookme, which is an scheduling managing software to take new appointments. So from here, from 𝑢can.bookme, I have created an appointment page. From there, my patients can book the appointment. So instead of 𝑢can.bookme, you can also use Acuity Scheduling, Calendly or any other appointment managing software. And then I'm using WhatsApp, which is a famous chat application to send the messages. So now here what I want to do is, whenever a new appointment is booked by a patient from 𝑢can.bookme, I want to send a message to them for the confirmation on their WhatsApp. But the issue here is 𝑢can.bookme and WhatsApp do not have any native integration or any direct contact. So how I'm supposed to do this task? I need to build some integration between them, build some automation between them so that I can perform this task. So for that only, here I'm going to use Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an automation and integration software which is going to build an integration between 𝑢can.bookme and WhatsApp. So here what will happen is, whenever a new appointment is going to be booked by a patient from 𝑢can.bookme, from that my 𝑢can.bookme appointment page, a message will be sent to that patient on WhatsApp automatically. Isn't it wonderful? So here I would like to tell you that to use Pabbly Connect, you do not need to have coding skill and programming knowledge. The best part here is, any non-technical person can also use Pabbly Connect really very easily. So now let us understand this complete process, that how I'm going to set this automation using Pabbly Connect on my screen along with a real-time example.
Okay guys, so this is the dashboard of 𝑢canbook.me. So here I have already created my account, and with the same I have created some appointment pages. Here you can see I have created the appointment page for my city dental clinic, which is my dental clinic, and here let me show you that this is how it actually looks like. So this is my appointment page. So from here you can see, with this calendar like window, the patients can choose the days and time slot according to their need. So further in the video, I'm going to tell you that how you can also create your appointment page using 𝑢canbook.me. So let me first show you as an example how this process is actually going to work. So here the idea is, as and when a patient is going to book an appointment for my city dental clinic, I want to send a message to them for the confirmation of their appointment on WhatsApp. So here what I'm going to do right now is, I'm just going to make a demo appointment here, and then we will directly check on WhatsApp if the message to that patient is sending or not. So here let me just choose on Friday 17 September at 8 a.m. I'm doing this booking. So here, after choosing the days and time slot, we need to fill this form. So here I'm just making this appointment for Zoya Khan. Okay. So here I need to fill the first name, last name, email address as well as the phone number, and we need to choose the appointment reason as well. So here let me just choose for example, diagnosis of severe dental disease. Now I'm just going to click on confirm booking. And now as you can see, my booking is confirmed here, and the notification received here is saying you will receive a notification confirming the meeting details shortly. This means our appointment is booked. Now let us check on WhatsApp if this same person, Zoya Khan, has received the message or not. So here let's check. Perfect. Here you can see on WhatsApp, here is the message. Let's read it. Dear Zoya Khan, you have an appointment scheduled with us for diagnosis of severe dental disease. We look forward to see you on. The date is mentioned here as well as the time as well as the location. Isn't it wonderful? So this is the gist of the process, that whenever a patient or a person is going to book an appointment for my city dental clinic, he or she will be receiving a message on WhatsApp for the appointment confirmation. So now you must be thinking, how did I manage to perform this automation between WhatsApp and 𝑢canbook.me? So let me tell you that I followed 3 very simple steps and created this automation. So let me show you that what are those steps. So you can also follow the same and create this workflow. So guys, these are the 3 easy steps which I followed to create the automation between YouCanBook.me and WhatsApp. So the step 1 is connect your YouCanBook.me page to Pabbly Connect with the help of webhook URL. Okay, so now for this, first we need to log in into our Pabbly Connect account. Then we need to connect our YouCanBook.me account with Pabbly Connect with the help of webhook URL. So this webhook URL is basically an address provided by Pabbly Connect. We need to copy it from here and we need to paste it into our YouCanBook.me account. And this way our account will get connected to Pabbly Connect. Now here in the second step, we need to collect the data from YouCanBook.me in Pabbly Connect. So here in the second step, as our account is now connected with Pabbly Connect, we need to collect the data from YouCanBook.me into Pabbly Connect. So for example, if a patient is going to make a booking using the page I have created, the details of the same appointments are going to get captured here into Pabbly Connect automatically. Now in the third step, we need to send the same data to VITA for sending messages on WhatsApp. Okay. Now here, as the data is collected into Pabbly Connect from YouCan.book.me, YouCanBook.me. So here we need to transfer the same data into VITA so that we can start sending messages on WhatsApp. Now I know here you must be thinking, why did I mention this term VITA and what it is? So here let me tell you that on WhatsApp, it is not allowed us to send messages directly. So that is why we are using WhatsApp official API VITA so that we can integrate WhatsApp with Pabbly Connect. So here VITA is a software which will help us to integrate WhatsApp with Pabbly Connect. So let us understand this complete process, that how with these steps I am going to create this workflow on my screen. So keep watching this video till last. Okay guys, so to start with the process, first type pabbly.com in your browser. Pabbly, pabbly.com. So here you can see this is the website of pabbly.com. You can see this is the website of pabbly.com. Here now we are going to click on this product option and here we are going to click on connect. So after clicking on connect, you can see this is the landing page of Pabbly Connect. This is what we are going to use. So this is the landing page of Pabbly Connect. Now here I am going to click on sign in, as I have already created my account into Pabbly Connect. And if you are a user and you do wish to create your account into Pabbly Connect, you can create your account from here just by signing up for free in 2 minutes. So here let me show you. After signing in, you can see this window will appear, this all apps window. Now to continue making the automation, I am going to scroll down and here at connect, I am going to click on access now. So here now you can see after clicking on access now, this dashboard will appear here, and on the top right corner you can see this button named as create workflow. So now I'm going to click on it, and here you can see this dialog box will appear and it is asking us to give a name to our workflow. So here I'm going to give it as YouCanBook.me to WhatsApp. So I'm just going to give it as according to the topic. You can also give it according to your choice as well. So now here you can see as the title of the workflow is created. Now you can see there are 2 boxes. The first one is trigger. The second one is action. Now you must be thinking, what are they? So here let me tell you that automation works on the concept of triggers and action. So here let me tell you that trigger means when this happens, or we can also say happening of an event. And action means do this, or we can also say the response to that event. For example, according to our topic, the trigger will be when an appointment is booked in YouCanBook.me. The action will be send a WhatsApp message for confirmation. Let's understand this practically. So here in the choose app, I am going to choose YouCanBook.me. YouCanBook.me. Okay. Now here you can see after this, I'm going to select the trigger event. Here the trigger event will be new booking. Okay. And after you can see, when I selected the trigger event, this webhook URL is provided by Pabbly Connect along with the step guide here. So let's follow the step guide and do the process. So here it is saying login into your YouCanBook.me account. So let me show you that this is my account. I have already created and login into it. You can also do the same. Now here it is saying select the booking page you want to add webhook and click edit setting. Okay, so here let me show you that this is the booking page which I want to connect with Pabbly Connect. So that is why I'm going to click here on edit settings. Now as you can see, now let's read again. It is saying select notification from the left menu, click actions under the sub menu. Fine. So here you can see at left side it is notifications option, and again at notification there is an action option. Okay, now let us read again what it is saying. Click into the step after new booking made. Click the plus button to add a new notification. Now click webhook. Okay. So here what we have to do is after clicking on notifications, we are going to click on actions. And at actions, you can see this option after new booking made. So here let's click after new booking made. So here we have to click on this plus option. And when we are going to click on this plus option, we need to click on this webhook option. So here after clicking on webhook option, you can see we need to provide a webhook URL here. So this is the same webhook URL which is provided by Pabbly Connect. You just have to copy the same, and once it is copied, we are going to paste it here. So you can see I just pasted the webhook URL. Now here what we have to do is we have to post the data in HTTP method. So here in You Can Book Me, you need to post the data. So here we need to select the method as post. So after selecting the method as post, you can see these payloads values are provided by youcanbook.me. So here you can see it has provided some default values and keys and the values of the key. So you do not need to get confused here. Let me show you the booking form. Here you can see I have provided some fields into my booking form. You can see the first name, the last name, email, phone number and appointment. And here let me show you that the default keys provided here by youcanbook.me is start date, end time, and the first name and email only. But I need to provide all these details, so I need to provide them all. So here I need to provide them into this specific format, which is like, let me show you, which is this format. So here what I'm going to do is, let me show you that here what happen is when we provide a key, we provide a shorthand code to it so that we can provide the value. So here what we have to do is when we are going to post the values here, first we need to provide the key and the value to it. So the key means first name, and the value is going to here, value which we are going to give here will be the shorthand code which we provided, which is let me show you, which is F name. So here what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to post all the mention all the payload here, then I'll show you what are they. Okay, so I just posted all the fields here. You can see I mentioned the start date, the date of the appointment, start time. So here the time will be mentioned, the first name F name, you can see the last name L name. So these are all shorthand codes. So you can see the key was shorthand, the shorthand code, the label was last name and the shorthand code was L name. So that is why I have provided the same here. You can see this is the same here. First name, F name. So this is called the key and this is called the value of the key. We just need to keep in mind the format. So you do not need to worry here. The format is already given here into youcanbook.me. And the appointment reason, the shorthand key for this is question 4. So let me show you like this, Q4. So in this way we have provided all the parameters here. I'm just going to click on save changes here. Now you can see my youcanbook.me account is connected with Pabbly Connect and it has now started waiting for the webhook response. Now to capture the data here into Pabbly Connect, we will need to fill the form again. So let's fill the form. So here again I'm going to make a booking. So for example, I am booking for Monday 20th September at 8 AM. Okay, and then I'm going to fill the details here. For example, I am going to make the booking for Tina George here. Okay, and let's choose the reason as clean teeth and just confirm the booking. So now as you can see, the booking is confirmed here. Let's see if the same detail for Tina George are captured here into Pabbly Connect or not. So here you can see it just captured all the data. Perfect. You can see it has captured the time, the first name, the last name, the email, the phone number as well. Perfect. So here you can see this is how I have connected my youcanbook.me account with Pabbly Connect. Now here, before proceeding to the next step, let me show you that from where you can also create your form and start using the same. So here, let me show you. Okay, so this is the dashboard, and if you too wish to create booking pages, you can book from you can create here from here, and then you can edit it, and from here into the edit settings you can add all the details which you want to add. If you want to add time and availability, and if you want to add the calendar, you can all just create from here. You can add the title, you can add the logo of your business, and you can add the link here. Everything you can do really very easily. So this is how simple you can create your appointment, your booking pages using this application, which is youcanbook.me. Okay, so now here our first step is completed. We wanted to connect our account with Pabbly Connect and capture all the data. We have completed it. Now let's move on to second step, which is action window. So here you can see in the choose app, I am going to choose VITA. Why VITA? Because I told you VITA is the official API for WhatsApp, and we are using it to send messages on WhatsApp. So here you can see I'm going to select the action event as send template message, and then I am going to click on connect. Okay, so after clicking on connect, you can see we need to connect our VITA account. So here for this I am going to click on add new connection, and once I clicked on add new connection, you can see it is asking me to fill this API endpoint and access token. Now here I know you must be thinking, what are these fields, what is VITA, how does it looks like? So let me clear everything for you. Let me take you to my VITA dashboard here. Perfect. Here you can see this is my VITA dashboard, and here I have already created my account, so that is why it is looking like this. And if you too wish to create your account into VITA, a link is provided into the description box of this same video. You can go to that video and learn how to create your VITA account and start using it to send messages on WhatsApp. So here I have already created my account. I just need to connect it with Pabbly Connect. So here you can see, okay, you can see this is the overview. From here I can keep on check what are the activities I'm doing in VITA. So here let me show you. It is asking me to fill the API endpoint as well as the access token. So you must be thinking from where we can get them. So for that, let us read the help text here. Navigate to top on your VITA dashboard, click on hamburger icon, then click on API docs to find your API endpoint. And the same goes for access token. So for this again, let me take you to my VITA dashboard. Here at API docs, we will be getting both of the keys. So here you can see this is the access token as well as the API endpoint. We just need to copy them and we need to paste it here. So I just pasted the API endpoint. Now I'm going to copy the access token and paste the same here. And then when I'm going to click on save, my VITA account will be saved here, connected with Pabbly Connect automatically. You can see my VITA account is now connected with Pabbly Connect. And you can see once I connected my VITA account with Pabbly Connect, these various fields just appeared. And here it is asking us to map the data. Now you must be thinking what is mapping and how it is done. So let me explain you here that the data which is captured here into Pabbly Connect from youcanbook.me, this data, for example, name, last name, email, phone number, everything, this same data is available here into this drop down type of window. And from here, we can enter the data just by clicking once according to the field asked. This is simple. This is how simple mapping is. So before mapping the WhatsApp number, let us read the instruction given here. So it is saying, enter a valid WhatsApp number with country code without plus sign, that is into this format. Okay, so here it basically means that VITA do not accept the plus sign here. So we need to enter the 10-digit valid WhatsApp number along with the country code, but we have to exclude the plus sign. But the issue here is the data which is captured here into Pabbly Connect contains the plus sign, and there is no such data which have just country code and 10-digit phone number. It has this plus sign. So how I'm going to map it here? It won't work. So I need to remove it. So you must be thinking how I'm going to do that. Let me show you. It is also possible really very easily. We are just going to remove this plus sign. So for this, again, I'm going to establish a new window here before VITA. And in the choose app, I am going to choose text formatter. Let me show you. Text formatter by Pabbly. Okay. So once I choose the text formatter, action event here I'm going to choose is split text. Okay. So here after this I'm going to click on connect. After clicking on connect, here I need to enter the text which I need to split. So here I'm going to mention this phone number mapping. You saw this is how mapping work. We just click on this drop down menu. The phone number was available. Once I clicked here, this was mapped here. You can see this is the same phone number here. The same phone number is here. Okay, so here what we need to separate this plus sign. So I'm just going to mention this plus sign here. You can see I just entered the plus sign here. We need to separate it. And what are the data we want? We want this complete data after the plus sign, which is this phone number. So for this, what I'm going to do here is I'm going to choose last. So here the last segment after this plus sign will be selected here. So let me show you how it will work. So once I'm going to click on save and send test request, the data will be here according to the desired format. You can see this is the format in which we needed the data, the country code as well as the number, 10-digit WhatsApp number. Now we have the data. No need to get tensed. So here again I'm going to map the data here. Let me show you. Okay, so we will map the data from this time from text formatter by Pabbly. Why? Because we got the data here only. So this is the phone number. Now I just mapped it here and now it is perfectly fine. So this is how you can split the data using this text formatter by Pabbly. Very simple to use. Now let us move on to next step, which is template. So here you must be thinking, what is template? So let me tell you that template is predefined messages which we need to create so that we can start sending them on WhatsApp. So here let us again move on to my VITA dashboard at broadcast. You can see this option named as template messages. So here you need to create the template, okay? Then only you can start using them on WhatsApp. So here let me tell you that if you too wish to create the new template, you can create from here. You need to provide the template name, category, language, and the body. Body means the message you are planning to send. For example, if you want to send any message regarding order confirmation, booking confirmation, you have to provide the body accordingly. That hello, customer or patient's name. This is the complete message that anything like that. And once your body is created, you need to click on save as draft. Once your template is saved as draft, you need to get it approved from Facebook. Okay, so that you can start sending them on WhatsApp. So to get them approved from Facebook, you need to submit your template from this arrow option. Once it is submitted for approval, it usually takes the time of 30 minutes to 2 business days to get approved. It does not at all get approved immediately. So this is how the status will looks like. It will shown as pending. And once they are approved, the status will shown as this, approved. So here you can see these are the approved status templates of my account already. So here the template which I am going to use is, I am going to use appointment. Let me search. Okay, this is the booking confirm appointment scheduled is the template which I am going to use. Let me show you my template. You can see here the template name I have provided is appointment schedule, and I have provided the body. Let me show you. Adjust it a bit. Okay. Now here you can see dear, the name of the customer or patient. Then the next is meeting name. The second is like you have an appointment scheduled with us for meeting. We look forward to see you on date, time, and at location. So this is the complete body of my template. And now here you can see I have provided some values here between double curly braces. So basically they are variables, and the purpose here to add them is they are going to keep on changing along with every new patient. So if the person is, for example, they have the different reason for meeting, they have the different time, so they are going to keep on changing accordingly. So that is why we need to provide variables into our template. So I'm going to explain in detail further. Let me just enter the template name here, which is appointment schedule. Perfect. Now here I need to provide the broadcast name. So the broadcast name here I'm just going to provide it as City Dental Clinic, which is my dental clinic's name. City Dental Clinic. Perfect. So here the use of broadcast is, let me show you that at broadcast history, you can check the status of all the messages sent from the same broadcast. Just it. Okay, now here comes the last and the most important step, which is custom parameters. So here what we have to do is, we have to provide the parameters, these custom parameters in this format, which is provided here. Okay, you can see which is provided here. So here let me first tell you my template. So let me show you the template here. You can see into my template I have provided the value. So these value are the same custom parameters which we need to map here. So what we have to do here, we need to provide the name of the custom parameter as well as the value. So here the name of my first parameter is name itself. Let us first count how many custom parameters are there into my template. It is 1, 2, 3, 4. So what I'm going to do here is, you can see this is the format for one parameter. So I'm going to paste it, copy and paste it here 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. And in this way 4 custom parameters are ready. Now I need to provide the name and then the value of them. So here you can see this is the example which is given here. The name of the color and the value of the color is blue. So it's just an example. I'm going to remove them. And in the place of name, I'm going to provide the name of my first parameter. So here the name of my first parameter is name itself. So just I'm going to write it here, name. And in the value, I'm going to provide my patient's name. So my patient is, you can see here, Tina, and with a space, Tina and George. Tina George. Okay. So this is how first parameter is ready. The name was name itself. The value was the name of my patient, Tina George. Now here the second parameter is meeting name. Okay. So here I'm just going to write in the same format, meeting name. Okay. And again, I'm going to remove this color and I'm going to write into the same format, which is meeting underscore name. Okay, and the value I'm going to give it as, let me show you. Here you can see the data is available, which is clean teeth. Okay. Now here the third parameter here is date time. So in the same format, I'm going to mention the date time, which is date underscore time. And in the value, I'm going to provide the date and time as well. So the date here is this date. Okay. And with the space, I'm going to provide the time as well. So here the time is 8. Now here comes the last parameter, which is location. So here I'm just going to write the location. Okay. Location. And then in the value, I'm going to provide the location. So I'm just going to write it manually, which is City Dental Clinic. It is going to remain same for every patient. So that is why I'm providing the value of location manually here. City Dental Clinic. Perfect. So now in this way, all the parameters of my template are ready. Let me tell you one more thing here, that these were the custom parameters according to my template. If you are having any different parameter into your template, for example, email, any website link or anything else, you need to map them here mandatorily. Why? Because this is how your workflow will going to work. Otherwise, it will show error. So here I've carefully marked all the custom parameters. Okay. Let me just correct it a bit. The date was removed. Sorry, the time. So I just corrected it. Now here everything is ready. Perfect. Now here what I'm going to do next is I'm going to click on the save and send test request. And as and when I'm going to click on save and send test request, we are going to check on this WhatsApp number if the message for appointment confirmation is sent or not. So I'm just going to click on save and send test request. And now you can see here the response is received, which means the message on WhatsApp to this person who is Tina George is sent. So let's check here. Excellent. You can see here is the message for Tina George. You have an appointment. You have an appointment scheduled with us for clean teeth, and you can see this is the complete message. So this means we have created the workflow successfully. Now let us do a real-time check if it is working smoothly or not. So for this, again, I'm going to make a booking from my booking page. You can see this is my booking page. So from here, again, I'm going to make a booking for a different person, and then we will directly check on WhatsApp if the same person is receiving the message or not. So here, let's do the booking for Wednesday, 15th September at 12 p.m. Okay. And here I'm going to do the booking for, let's say, Alex Roy. You can see this is the person, Alex Roy. Okay. Now here let's choose the reason as gum disease, and I'm just going to click on confirm booking. And now you can see the booking is confirmed. Here you can see this is the message. You will receive a notification confirming the meeting details shortly. Let's check on WhatsApp. Excellent. Here you can see this is the message for Alex Roy. You have an appointment scheduled with us for gum disease, and you can see this is the complete message. And here you would have noticed one more thing, that this is how custom parameters are working. The name is changing every time, the meeting name is changing every time, the date and schedule time is changing every time. So this is how custom parameters work. Fine. So this means we have successfully created the workflow, the automation between YouCanBook.me and WhatsApp with the help of Pabbly Connect really very easily. Now let's do a short recap what we actually did. So here we first integrated our YouCanBook.me account with Pabbly Connect with the help of this webhook URL and captured all the data. Okay. And here what we did in the by text formatter by Pabbly, we splitted the text. Why? Because in VITA it was needed to remove this plus sign. So with the help of text formatter, we removed the plus sign. And in the last step, we integrated our VITA account with Pabbly Connect and mapped all the data. We mapped the custom parameters. And in this way, our workflow was created. Now here I would like to tell you one more important thing, that the link of the same workflow is available into the description of this video. You can simply copy the same link into your Pabbly Connect account and start using this amazing workflow just for free.
Not just these applications, you can integrate plenty of applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. This was all for today's video. If you have any feedback, you can contact us at admin@pabbly.com, or you can also ask your queries at this link here. And if you want to check the price for Pabbly Connect, you can check the price from here, this link, and automate your business. If you like our video, do not forget to press the thumbs up button and share it with your friends. And for more such videos, you can also subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.